guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm doing my Prime Day haul and just a collective haul of everything I've been purchasing from Amazon this month. I'm very excited because I have a ton of things that I love and I know you guys will love too. A ton of clothes, a ton of dupes, jewelry. I have like go-tos for the family, for outdoor activities, just so many fun things. And then quick reviews on big purchases from Prime Day, like the new security cameras that I got, the wallpaper behind me, the bouncy house that I purchased. So I'm so excited to review all of this and more. I have everything linked down below, and I also have so many more things over on my Amazon shop. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram if you haven't already. Subscribe for more. Let's get into it. I'm gonna start with some jewelry pieces that I got because I'm completely obsessed. They're all super inexpensive. Few rings. I got this super pretty pearl ring. I think it's so fun and dainty. A nice little everyday ring. And then the other ring is like a Cartier inspired vibe. This little hammered nail. It's so fun. I love the look of it. I wouldn't wear it with this like combo, but this hand is pretty full. This little David Yurman inspired ring. I never really go for silver jewelry besides my engagement ring, but I thought this was so pretty. So it's like a two-tone, very David Yurman. It has a little knot and then the rest is one singular ring. I thought this was so pretty. This pearl bracelet, y'all, I am completely obsessed. This looks so high-end. It was literally $12. I love that it's like more of like a statement bracelet, but I can wear it every day. It's not too heavy. It's beautiful, y'all. Everything was so cheap and it feels really good quality. So that's all linked on my storefront under jewelry. I got a ton of clothes during Prime Day. That was really my plan. This Show Me Your Moo Moo inspired cover up. It's this really beautiful neon pink, so pretty, and this is like $30. The Show Me Your Moo Moo one is $128. I have like a different version that I got on sale, and I'll show you the comparison because it's crazy. I got a size small. If it's true to size, it comes in so many different colors, and this is the long sleeve version, but they do have a little short sleeve one. Okay, this is the Amazon, and this is Show Me Your Moo Moo. It's a different style than the one I'm comparing it to, but I think the main difference is how thick the crochet is and how heavy this one is, which honestly is not the best thing ever, especially for travel. This one is more lightweight. The color is more vibrant. I really like it for only 30 bucks compared to, whoopsie, compared to 158. I got this dress on a whim, very similar to the one Abercrombie sells for $80. This one was only $40. And it comes in a few different colorways, not too many options. I got the white one just for some pictures that I have coming up, but it has like a pretty similar fit and feel, and I thought it was like a great option for half the price. I will show you guys the pictures once I wear it, but it has the pockets. It has like a pretty stretchy bag. I think this is really nice. I got a size small and I think it's pretty true to size. Hey, you know what's crazy? How one Stanley cup is 40 ounces is like 40 something, and this was 50 bucks. Isn't that crazy? So this is like one of those, what I call the Gatorade jugs, like for sports, but in the most aesthetically pleasing colorway I've ever seen in my life. It keeps your water super cold or whatever drink you put in here. A nice handle at the top. It's easy to clean. I use this for the 4th of July. I'm obsessed with this. I just can't believe it's just by the same brand that sells the most overpriced tumblers in the universe, but for like a few more dollars you can get something like this. So I'm really happy with it. It's great for like outdoor gatherings, pool days, things like that, but also I can imagine like camping, like sports, things along those lines. A tailgate, it would be perfect. So it does definitely come in different colors, but you know I had to get this one. I decided to treat myself to a ton of beauty items because it was Prime Day and most of them were 20 to 30% off. One of those brands being Sol de Janeiro. I picked up the famous Baccarat Rouge alternative. This is still pretty pricey in my opinion. This body spray is like $48, so I got 20% off and I love it. I think it smells so good. But I will say, if you watch my Temu videos, this smells just like the Temu $8 perfume. So I'm glad I have it because I love their scents, but the Temu one is like so much better in price. I worked with this brand probably in 2020 and I recently ran out of their cleanser. I decided to pick it up on Prime Day. It was like $6. The brand is called Mediheal. They have amazing Korean skincare for very inexpensive, but all the ingredients, all the products are really high quality. So I got the cleanser that is also for dry skin. This is the intensive hydrating cleansing foam. And then I got a bundle of their, what are you called? Pantino lips. Basically, it's a bunch of different shades of these lip balms. Some of them are colored. This is the lip scrub. I want to give y'all a swatch of the colors. So actually only 2 of them are tinted. Then we have like a creamy lip mask, the lip scrub, and then a clear version, which is the pink. This is the order that I swatched them in. I'm so happy with this bundle because individually I think they retail for $9, so I got all of them for I think $20. I'm actually pretty obsessed with the blue one that's not even in here. Actually, it's here. I'll put it on right now so I can show you. Nothing crazy, and the formula kind of reminds me of the Summer Fridays. I would even go as far as to say this might be a dupe. It's very lightweight, very hydrating. I really, really love them. More beauty stuff. I've been dying to get this on sale again. This is a hair scrub. I've never tried this specific scent. It's a cherry blossom scent, but I've tried their original one and it smells amazing. This one is obviously a little bit more floral, but y'all, this is the best hair scrub ever. I will die on this hill. Like, if you've never had it, or like you've never liked a hair scrub because they feel too coarse, because they don't really get in there, because they leave residue, this is like the perfect amount of coarseness and scrubbiness, but also it like foams up so well and lathers so well. I'm obsessed. It leaves my hair feeling clean. Nothing, you know, gets broken up in my scalp. I'm just like, please try it, just trust me. I already opened these and have them in my little container, but I got the Crest 3D whitening strips. I haven't really checked the bestsellers yet, but I'm pretty sure this is still #1. It's the bestseller for every single sale Amazon has. Y'all, they're worth it every single time. They were 40% off, I believe, and these last me about 6 months. If you've never tried whitening strips, like, look out for a sale. Maybe CVS, Walgreens, or something like that would have it, or just do like I do and wait until every Prime Day and Black Friday. I also did pick up the security cameras that I was telling you all about. So we got 2 different types by the same brand. We got the 3-pack for outdoor. We needed those so badly. I love that I can check on the dogs while I'm still inside. The battery life is insane. It lasts 2 years without charging. The app is really user-friendly and it was so easy to install them. It comes with everything you need. And then we also picked up the ones for inside the house. 10 out of 10 we recommend. I love being able to check on the dogs when I'm away, to check on Olivia when I'm upstairs, etc. They're incredible quality. Once again, super easy to install, and y'all, the sale was so good. They were like $100 off. It was crazy. So next time they go on sale, I will let you guys know, because I highly, highly recommend those Blink security cameras. And of course, I ended up getting the wallpaper that you're seeing here. I'll show you guys a better clip, but I decided to put it here because the one that I had on here before was actually only covering like about this much of the wall. It was cheap from Target. This is from Amazon. The sale wasn't amazing. I think it went down to like $26 from $39, so like not too bad, but when you have to buy 3 rolls to cover the whole wall, you make it work. So I'm really happy with it. You guys know I'm a pink girly. I say this in every video. I'm loving like the coastal grandmother vibes. And I have a ton of white furniture in this room, and I feel like this really like gives a pop of color and just brightness and life into a very boring room otherwise. So I love it. I highly recommend that brand. Out of all the Amazon wallpapers that I've tried, this has been the best one by far. A lot of the things that I wanted for Olivia, like the nugget couch and things like that, were not really that discounted. I did get the bouncy house. I followed y'all's advice and I ended up going for the White Castle instead of the rainbow ones. I'm really glad I did. I opened it just once to try it. My husband set it up. Olivia jumped on it a little bit. It is smaller than I imagine it would be, I guess, but it probably fits like at least 4 kids in there comfortably. I like the fact that it has like the ball pit. I'm going to use it for Olivia's birthday, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick little review. So far so good. I think it was definitely worth the money and the investment. It came with like balloons. It has like little hooks like at the top of the castle to attach a balloon garland, which I really appreciate. And it also came with like a tarp to put it if you want to put it on grass, and the inflating machine. So I'm pretty happy with it, but we'll see how it does after a bunch of toddlers bounce on it. Okay, so I didn't go too crazy with the toys just because I much rather buy toys on Temu. My brother got her this as like an early birthday gift.
Hola, Mama.
Hola, baby. Can you show me how you put the puppy? Can you put the puppy? Wow, so it's basically a kid's music box and the music is controlled by the characters. I don't want to get copyrighted, but this bundle came. Can you give me 1 second, baby? Thank you. The one thing I will say is that the Disney characters don't have the matching voices. I wanted to get some more educational toys.
Hexagon.
Hexagon. They're like sandbags, but in different shapes. What shape is this, Olivia?
Dice.
And this one?
Triangle.
And this one?
Square.
And this one?
Yep.
What shape is this?
Oval.
Oval. Well, anyway, she's pretty obsessed with shapes, so I thought this was a perfect gift. You can throw them. So this was like super inexpensive. Yeah, can you pass me the popsicles? Pass me the whole bag. Okay, and lastly, we got these popsicles that have the alphabet. She loves a popsicle. And it's a great way to associate the letter with a word. Robot. And where's the R? Can you pass me the R? Whoop, thank you so much. I also got Olivia this little helmet that I told y'all I wanted to get just for her bike and just to have. I thought this was a nice color and it's pretty timeless. I think it's from 2 to 7 years old, so it was like a nice little discount and we really needed it. This was actually sent to me by Drunk Elephant. This is a Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum. I'm actually wearing this under my makeup today because I feel like even though it's pretty hot outside, my skin is so dry right now, and this really created like a nice barrier of moisture, and then I added just my makeup on top and it actually made my skin look a little more plump and pretty in my opinion. So I'm gonna keep using it, but I'm really glad I have it. It completely matches what I'm wearing and the wallpaper. But I really like some of the Drunk Elephant products I've tried. I kind of want to try more to see, you know, the result, but I'm really happy with this. I have super dry skin though. So guys, that's everything for today's video. If you enjoyed it, definitely give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you bought on Prime Day. Also, I don't know if I've mentioned this already in a video before, but please check your Instagram DMs and your YouTube comments if you entered any of my giveaways for Prime Day. I'm still waiting on 2 people to respond, and if they don't respond soon, I'm gonna have to choose other winners. So I'm gonna wait until I post this, wait like maybe 1 more day, and if not, just go through a list again and choose another winner. But please check them if you haven't already. Thank you to you guys for entering, for watching all my Prime Day content and trusting my recommendations. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.